Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of red velvet cupcakes. You can see here the cupcakes are so moist and have a very velvety touch, and we got the real red color. So let's get started. For this we need 1 cup of castor sugar, half cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, that is dark cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of red color. I have taken powdered red color from Magic Colors. Then 1 plus 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then half teaspoon of vinegar. This is buttermilk. Then baking soda, almost 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and almost 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. A pinch of salt also we require. So now let's get started. For this I am taking a bowl. Into this bowl, first of all, I am going to mix castor sugar, into this vegetable oil, and now with the help of this hand whisker I am going to mix it. Once it is mixed, I am going to pour 1 cup of buttermilk, and then again mix it well. Then I am going to add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can use vanilla essence of any of the company. I am using Bush, and I am going to give it a mix. After then I am adding 1 tablespoon of dark cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of red powder. Now I have mixed it. You can see the color. Now into this liquid mixture we are going to add the dry ingredients. For that I have taken seaweed. Into this I am adding 1 plus 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda into this, and I am going to sieve this mixture. Now I am going to mix this with the help of that hand whisker. Very gently, with a very soft hands we have to mix it, and always move it in one direction. It should be mixed till the dry ingredients get completely mixed with the wet ingredients and no lumps are left. You can see this mixture, no lumps are left. And see the color, we have got actual red color, blood red color. So here I am having cupcake mold. As our mixture is ready, I am going to put the cupcake liners here. Now I will pour the mixture into all these cupcake liners. So here we have to fill the cupcake liners till 3/4, because when it will get into the oven it will rise up. So just fill it 3/4. Now suppose if you are not having the cupcake molds, you can use a cup, that is tea cup, or you can use any coffee mug, preferably which is not having any prints. So into this I have poured the mixture till the 3/4 of this cup, and left portion 1/4 to rise it up. Also friends, you can use paper cups if you are not having the cupcake mold or that cup. So into this also I have poured in the mixture till 3/4. So now I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to bake this all at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. So this paper cup and the tea cup will go with a base. I have taken any aluminum base, any aluminum container, and then put it into the oven. After 25 minutes our cake are out of the oven, and I am going to take one toothpick to check. So here you can see that no crumbs got stick on my toothpick. I will show you again. I have inserted the toothpick and it has came out very clean. So you can see the color. Also the tea cup and the paper cupcakes are ready. You can see my arrangement inside one container. So now we are going to make the icing, because cupcakes are incomplete without icing. So I have taken here the cream cheese, Delecta cream cheese, almost 1/4 cup, and into this I am going to add half cup of whipping cream. The whipping cream should be liquidy and very chilled. I have used Tropolite Premium. You can use as per your choice. Now with the help of electric beater I am going to beat it till we got the stiff peaks. I have shown this in one of my video of cream cheese, whose link I will mention in the description box. So here I have taken N2 nozzle and a piping bag. Into this piping bag I am adding my cream cheese mixture, and I am going to make a design on this cupcake. So this is one design, and this is another one. We are going it from the middle. In the previous one we have gone from the sides. So you can see how lovely this looks. And yes, see the color of red velvet cupcakes. I hope friends you must have liked my video. Please try this, give me your feedback and subscribe my channel. Thank you.